Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the router is powered and the connection works. This avoids needless troubleshooting. Then turn on your Ps3 and navigate. Settings, network settings, internet connection settings. Once there, choose Quick to let the Ps3 auto-detect DHCP, or Custom if you need to enter a static IP, DNS, or proxy. Use Quick when the router assigns addresses automatically because it's faster. Choose Custom only when your network has special requirements or you need precise control. Next, you configure the connection type. Wired gives stable speed, so plug an Ethernet cable into the Ps3 and router, then pick Wired connection. For wireless, select Wireless, scan and pick your SSID, and carefully enter the WPA or WPA2 passphrase so authentication succeeds. Once configured, run the connection test to check IP assignment, DNS resolution, and NAT type. This test tells you if ports or router settings could later block online play. Make adjustments. Finish by saving your network settings and signing into PlayStation Network to confirm online access. Install any system updates if the Ps3 prompts you, because those can fix bugs. If the connection fails, power cycle the router and console, then rerun the connection test to clear temporary issues. If you still have NAT or lag problems, enable UPnP or manually forward ports on the router. Doing that opens necessary pathways for multiplayer and reduces disconnects. This is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.